Classified advertisements, land and property. In this module, you will learn how to draft classified advertisements for the land and property column to be published in newspapers and also attempt some practice questions. Features. Classified advertisements are short compositions that appear in publications meant for mass readership. They are inserted in such publications with the objective of introducing or promoting a product or a service. There are no graphical displays in classified advertisements. At best, the advertiser may choose to put the company logo. Classified advertisements are named thus as they are categorized and put under standard classes. This module deals with classified advertisements related to land and property. Tone and language. Draft the advertisement using simple and concise English. Use the third-person narrative. Provide only the relevant information briefly in words, phrases, and/or very short sentences that are punctuated by several commas, semicolons, or full stops. Start with general information and then proceed to specific details. Format. Write the classified advertisement enclosed in a neat rectangular box. Put a caption at the center of the top line within the box. Next, write the body that comprises only the essential information. Provide contact details at the end. The details must include the name of the contact person, his or her address, and/or telephone number. Sample. What? Where? Features. Additional information or conditions. Contact details. Practice questions. Attempt the following questions in your notebook. Summary. In this module, you have learnt how to draft classified advertisements for the land and property column to be published in newspapers and also attempted some practice questions.